To install apps on Windows 11 through the command line, there are some things you need to know. First is that you have to have updated app installer on your Windows 11 PC, all right? And here, if you're using an updated Windows 11 PC, that comes pre-installed on it, all right? It's automatically there. So you don't need to do anything, just like this one here is updated. So the app installer is here, okay? Then the next thing you need to know is the name of the app you want to install. That will help make the work easy. So let's start. First, take your cursor to this Windows logo key and right click. Once you right click, select this terminal option, okay? The one that has admin in the bracket. All right, so click on that. A notification will show up on the screen of your PC asking you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Please click on the yes button. Once you're here, we are good to go to start the installation. So type we get space install space quote the name of the application. All right, you can see these signs here. So in this case, I'm going to install Opera browser. So I will type the name Opera browser. All right, then use the arrow key to take the cursor to blink here. All right, so I'll push it here and I'm good. After that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. So give it time for it to search. And you can see here, it lists this information and after it says, do you agree to the terms? Y stands for yes and N stands for no. So type capital Y and press enter. So hold on for this to install. You can see the progress. The application is about 206 megabytes. So give it time to finish its installation. Okay, look at the text we have here. It says successfully verified installer hash. Okay, and successfully installed, meaning that this has been installed. This app Opera Mini has been installed successfully. Let's use some code to check commands to know if it's really installed. Then you have to type winget space list. Okay, then after that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. So this will list some apps, list all apps that are installed on your computer at this point in time. Okay, so look at everything here that is being installed. So it's left for you to take your time and get to that particular app we installed. And in this case, we installed Opera Mini. So I will scroll until I get to Opera Mini. Note, everything is not arranged in alphabetical order, so it may take you time for you to discover that. You can see Opera Stable 113.0.5230.86. All right, that's the Opera Mini we just installed now. Another way you can discover this is by clicking on the Start button, then select Settings on the list. On this settings page, you will be on the home by default, all right? You'll be on this home. Then click on apps, okay? Then click on installed apps. Once you click on installed apps, take a look, gradually scroll until you get to Opera Mini. On this particular way of checking for installed apps, everything is arranged in alphabetical order. You can see Opera Stable, which is the Opera Mini we just installed right now. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology. That is information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.